Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add an image into your resume in Canva, so let's get right into it. Now, I will be using a template of a resume, which you can just search up resume into the main search bar, and then just pick whichever design you want. I've gone with this one, and you can edit this one if you don't have a resume already. You can also upload PDF files to Canva and use them and edit them as you would any other file. And yeah, you can just pick and choose. I have another tutorial if you're having trouble opening a PDF file, but let's say this is your resume and you want to edit a picture. Let's say this picture doesn't exist. Firstly, you can just enter a picture by dragging and dropping it as a file. You can go to uploads and then upload files, and then you can very easily drag and drop the picture here. For example, this duck, let's say that's me, and you can do that, and that is the most basic way of doing this. Or you can go to elements and scroll down until you get to frames. For example, a circle frame is very popular for resumes. All you have to do is get the frame, drag and drop the photo, and once you're there, you just drag and drop the photo into the frame itself, and as you can see, it has fitted it perfectly into this circle. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.